Ready? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna be reviewing and talk about the KONJAC sponge. So the most interesting thing about the KONJAC sponge, it is considered a super gentle exfoliator. Even sensitive skin can use it. It is 100% natural because it's made from the root of the konjac plant, which is kind of cool, huh? And the konjac plant contains tons of vitamins like vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin C and D, and antioxidants that will provide a barrier to your skin. It will regenerate your skin, refresh it, will clean it up, and your skin is going to look super radiant. This one that I have right here, it is the black konjac sponge. As you guys can see right now, it is soft because I already soaked it in water. We're not gonna talk about brands right now, but when you buy your konjac sponge, make sure that it's super dry and it looks like a piece of wood. You know, it's like that hard and it's that dry because that means it is 100% natural. If you buy one that it looks like this, that one won't be natural and it has some chemicals in it that it will make it last longer. Because it is 100% natural, it's not a product that it's going to last you forever. It depends of the care you give it to the sponge. It might last you 4 or 6 weeks. The first time you use your sponge, you need to let it soak in warm water for 15 minutes. As you can see, the konjac sponge, it is really dry, it is really hard. The warm water will help to soften the konjac sponge. After the 15 minutes, you're gonna see how it starts to expand, which is completely normal and that's like how they work. So you have two options. The option number one is to put any type of facial cleanser on the top of the sponge, or you can use it by itself. As you guys can see, it is very soft right now. Very important for you guys to know how to drain the water out of the sponge. You cannot squeeze it, you cannot twist it, you cannot be harsh on this sponge because it is so sensitive. The way you drain the konjac sponge is put your hands like this and you do this. Grab your sponge and gently start exfoliating your skin in circular motions, always avoiding the under eye area. You can do this for 30 seconds and then rinse off with cold water at the end. Rinse the sponge with clean water. Using clean hands, press the sponge gently in between palms to drain water out. Do not twist, stretch, or press the sponge too hard. After washing, air dry the sponge. Could go for 5 minutes scrubbing my skin with this thing. It feels like a massage. It is the softest thing. Angel wings on my face. The experience was absolutely amazing. My skin feels very soft, super cleaned and radiant. This thing does pretty much all the exfoliation for you. You don't do any effort of using the sponge around your face. It didn't even feel like I was exfoliating my skin. I think that the downside will be all the work you kind of have to do, you know, to keep it clean, to take care of it. It won't last you forever, so you have to keep buying new products. But if you want something 100% natural, definitely try this. But maybe you don't like this sponge. I have other videos right here. If you would love to become part of this organic family, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Pura vida!